What if a symbol of global trade, a marvel of architecture, and a national monument crumbles down in a tragic event? What does it take to rise from the ashes, to rebuild not just the structure, but the spirit it embodies? Today, we unravel the story of the World Trade Center, a testament to resilience and rebirth, from its devastating fall to its triumphant rebirth. The World Trade Center, an iconic structure, once dominated the New York City skyline. Its twin towers, soaring to the heights of 1,368 and 1,362 feet respectively, were more than just buildings. They were symbols of America's economic power and architectural prowess. But on a sorrowful day in September 2001, these towers were reduced to rubble, in a horrific act of terror that shook the world. Yet from the ruins, a resolve emerged. A commitment to rebuild, to restore, not just a monument, but a symbol of hope and resilience. The task was monumental, but so was the will to achieve it. The first step in this monumental endeavor was the cleanup, a Herculean task that involved removing 1.8 million tons of debris, a task that took 8 months to complete, with workers toiling round the clock. The cleanup was more than just a physical process. It was a cathartic journey for a city and a nation healing from a profound loss. Once the site was cleared, the planning for the new World Trade Center began. Renowned architect Daniel Libeskind won the competition to design the new complex. His design, dubbed Memory Foundations, sought to honor the past while looking towards the future. It included a 176-foot pit, representing the original tower's footprints, and a spire reaching 1,776 feet into the sky, a nod to the year of America's independence. The construction of the new World Trade Center was a feat of engineering. The cornerstone of the project, One World Trade Center, also known as the Freedom Tower, was erected with the highest standards of safety and sustainability in mind. The tower's construction began in 2006 and was completed in 2013, redefining the city's skyline once again. Today, the World Trade Center complex stands tall and proud, a symbol of resilience and a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity. It includes the Freedom Tower, 3 other office buildings, a transportation hub, and the National September 11th Memorial and Museum. In summary, the rebuilding of the World Trade Center was a journey of resilience and determination. From the cleanup of the tragic debris to the design and construction of a new complex, the process was a testament to human tenacity. It stands today not just as a center of global commerce, but as a symbol of rebirth and resilience, a beacon of hope that lights up the New York City skyline. The World Trade Center's story teaches us that even in the face of unthinkable tragedy, we can rise, rebuild, and restore. It stands not just as an architectural marvel, but as a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity.